Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5060 Gaming OC8G. The 1080p beast that's cooler and faster than you think. Feeling stuck with your old GPU that can't keep up? Frustrated by laggy gameplay, annoying frame drops, and overheating issues? When your rig chokes on new games or streams, motivation tanks, and focus vanishes. Wasting hours tweaking settings or waiting for crashes sucks the fun out of gaming and content creation. If you've ever stared at a frozen screen wondering why your tech isn't delivering, you're not alone. It's time to break free from sluggish hardware and stop letting your setup hold you back. The pressure builds, crushing deadlines for your gaming streams, or missed clutch moments in the latest AAA titles. Stress spikes as you juggle overheating rigs, noisy fans, and constant lag. Burnout looms when your GPU's weak performance forces lower settings and choppy visuals, killing immersion and hype. That frustration gnaws at you like a bad boss fight that won't quit. Missing out on epic gameplay or viewer growth. Yeah, it stings hard, but what if you could smash through those limits instead of crashing into them? Enter the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5060 Gaming OC8G, your new secret weapon for killer 1080p gaming power. Rocking NVIDIA's next-gen Blackwell architecture with 3,840 CUDA cores and 8 GB blazing fast GDDR7 memory. It pushes your games to buttery smooth levels with a factory overclocked boost clock of 2,595 MHz. DLSS 4 and real-time ray tracing brings stunning visuals without killing your frame rate. The WINDFORCE triple hawk fan system with copper heat pipes and thermal gel keeps temps chill under fire. Plus, PCI-E 5.0 support and versatile outputs. 3 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI. Ensure compatibility and future-proof flexibility. Efficient at around 145 watt TGP. It's the cool, quiet powerhouse for serious gamers on a budget. Why are gamers raving about the Gigabyte RTX 5060 Gaming OC? Because it delivers next-level performance and sleek cooling in a compact package that won't break the bank. Users praise its solid 1080p frame rates, often matching or beating pricier RTX 4060 Ti cards, while reviewers spotlight the WINDFORCE cooling system's whisper-quiet, efficient heat management. Runs cooler, quieter, and smoother than my last rig, says one thrilled user, while another notes how DLSS 4 ramps up visuals without the dreaded lag. The 8 GB GDDR7 memory ensures bandwidth for stunning ray trace scenes, though power gamers may want to watch VRAM limits on future AAA titles. With dual BIOS mode for performance or silence and a reinforced structure, this GPU strikes the perfect balance between value, durability, and jaw-dropping gameplay. Don't settle for laggy, overheating setups that hold you back. Grab the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5060 Gaming OC8G now. Limited stock is flying off shelves fast. Join thousands of gamers already leveling up with smooth, stunning 1080p performance and ultra-efficient cooling. Whether you're upgrading or building fresh, this card is your ticket to hassle-free, immersive gaming. Act now to secure yours before they're gone, because when the next epic patch drops, you want to be ready to dominate, not drop frames. Hit buy now and game on with confidence.